Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a wine steamed mussel. I know this is not Japanese cuisine, but when I was in New Zealand, my Korean flatmate made it for me, and it was surprisingly delicious, and it was so easy to make. So that's why I wanted to share to you. So I hope you also like it. So okay, let's get started.
So, okay, these are the ingredients for today, and the mussel can be used frozen or fresh, and I didn't use it this time, but you can add it the chopped garlic if you like. So, okay, first, I will use the onion. Please cut the onion in half and thinly sliced. Okay, I cut the onion like this, and then please add the all onion in pot. So, and then I will add the frozen mussel in pot. To be honest, I wanted to order fresh mussel, but it wasn't accepted to deliver to an isolated island because it was too far from the oyster farm. But either frozen or fresh mussel can be cooked to be delicious, so it's okay. And then next, please dissolve the lemon juice. If your lemons are organic, you can add them directly to the pot after squeezing the lemon, but the lemon I use are imported, so I only use the juice and don't add it to the pot. And then next, I'm gonna use the blue cheese. So you don't need to chop it up, I'm just gonna crumble it into this. And then next, please add the white wine. So, and then next, please add about 100 milliliter of water. Hi, okay, I prepared all. So next, let's steam the mussel. Hi, okay, so please turn on the medium high heat. So first, I steamed around 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, please check that it's cooked through. So when the onions are transparent, it means they are ready. So if it's not cooked through, heat it again over medium heat. Oh, excuse me, one more thing. And please add the salt to adjust the taste at the end. And it's finally ready.もうちょいしようかな。OK, OK. Perfect. じゃーん、steamed mussel is ready. So, let's try the taste. じゃーん、wine steamed mussel is ready. So, OK, let's begin. いただきます。So first, I wanna try the mussel. これ。Even if they're frozen mussel, but taste is still juicy and I can still feel that like a sea. Taste is like a sea taste. 合ってる? Is this a correct English? I don't know. 海の味がする。美味しい。And then also, blue cheese also very good job. なんかすっごいブルーチーズの味がなんかワインと蒸したからか知らないけどなんか上品ってなんて言うんだろう It's like a rich taste もうねなんか It's a acquired taste
大人の味だね。これは超美味しい。It's really juicy and it's so delicious. おー、もし食べきらない人とかもう食べれないって余った人はこれをね、パスタにしても美味しいんですよ。というわけで来週はこの余ったムール貝を使ってムール貝のパスタ作ります。これも美味しいんだよ、めっちゃ。 OK, so if you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching guys and see you in my next video. Bye.